Picture this, in the world of crypto, timing is everything. Today we focus on the bustling market for IRUSDT. An alert flashed and traders eagerly tuned in. It started to cascade, dropping sharply by minus 27.39% in just 65 minutes. That's a considerable shift, a prime example of how quickly fortunes can turn in these waters. With each tick on CoinScanner, an AI engine promising to highlight those pivotal moments across 665 pairs and 8 timeframes, it's easy to see where opportunity lies. These pre-moves can show you the way, provide insights, so if you're ready to dive into these dynamics, remember, you can start your journey with a first hour free at coinscanner.pro.